Howdy everyone, this is Graham Bynum with Uptown 101. This is my channel, Best Houston Apartments. We're at the Artistry Design District. The Artistry Design District, you're looking at a gorgeous apartment here. This is their one bedroom. It's pretty stunning. It is the A2. So there's the A2, 753 square feet, and so open and so fun. I'm just gonna show off a few little things about it. It's a really open island. The island's just beautiful. You can see the island and you can see the beautiful kitchen too. Gorgeous, lots of cabinet space. Really pretty appliances. You got an ice maker, and it just feels great. It feels so open and fun. I love the light wood that's on the flooring. There's a really pretty balcony that's out there, and just look at it. I mean, it just flows so easily. We're just gonna flow through and walk through that bedroom. The bedroom is here. It's fun. That's a queen size bed. There's so much light in here. I love the windows and the lighting. There's a really pretty closet. That's a walk-in closet. And then you walk in here and man, you've got a really nice bathroom. The bathroom's super pretty. Look at that gorgeous lighted mirror, and then the walk-in shower just totally tops it. So it's a really pretty apartment here, this A2. Wouldn't you like to see this in person? They've got some really good prices right now, good specials. Send me a text and just request to see that over your phone live or to come in person live. Either one, we'll take care of it. It's a free part of our 100% free service. That's my number below. Just text me, say hi.